Hi guys, welcome. My name is Pooja and today I'm going to be demoing the famous Rotimatic machine. A lot of people have been curious as to how the machine works, so we thought we'd bring it to you and show you from start to finish how each roti is made in the machine. So before we start off, I'm going to just show you a few basic accessories that the machine comes equipped with. It comes with a few containers that we absolutely need for the machine to work, of course. So this is your water, your oil, and your flour container. And what you do is you just put in all your ingredients in it. Nice part about these containers is that they are airtight, so they can be used as storage just in case you don't use all the ingredients in them. And you can just leave it in the machine, so it's nice and convenient. It also comes equipped with a couple cleaning brushes. This is called the Magic Stick, and it's padded right here. It is used to clean our hot plates where the roti is actually cooked, and I will show you that through the demo as we go by. And this is the magic brush, and this is for all the little flour dustings that are left behind on the plate or in the kneading area that we just need to clean off. So let's start off. I have already begun by installing the ingredients in it, the flour, the water, and the oil. Everything's filled and ready to go. And then, let me tell you, the machine is Wi-Fi enabled. So as soon as you set it up, what you need to do is download the app on your phone and connect your machine through it. Once the machine is connected, we have constant touch with your machine. So if there is any issue going on with it, software or hardware, our team automatically knows how to deal with the issues and get in touch with you. So what you do is once the machine is connected, you press, there are a few options here. You press the menu option, and then it asks you as to what you would like to cook today. We're gonna make a simple roti, which most households eat on a regular basis. So I wanna show you exactly what it turns out like, but you have the option of puris, pizza base, bajra roti, which is our newest feature that was pushed out. So let's select the roti option, and then it asks you for the type of flour you're using. Today we're using the Ashirvad Select Atta, and I'm gonna click that. There are a few other flours in the menu listed. If the flour you choose to use is not listed, you can go onto our website, and there we can help work with the machine to make sure that your atta can be used well in it, what's the best quality of roti that it can come up with. You pick a thickness level on it. I like thin rotis, so I'm gonna pick thickness level 1 today, and the roast level on it, which is at 2, which is, you can go up to 4. I like the 2, which is the perfect between the softness, and the oil level, oil drops, which is 1 or 2 oils. We tend to make a healthier roti. The ingredients are nice and clean, hence there's only 1 or 2 drops of oil that we use in the machine. And then using these arrows right here, you can pick how many rotis you would like to make. Today I'm gonna just set it to 2, and then press play. It just makes sure that you do want to make these rotis, you say yes, and that's it. You let the machine do the work for you. It's really, really nice to see that each individual dough ball is made separately in this kneading area. It's kneaded and cooked. So you can make as little as 1 roti, or you can make as many as 15 rotis in one go if you would like. And depending on your family size, whenever I'm eating lunch or dinner by myself, and if it's only me, if I want to eat 1 roti, that's it. That's all I put in, and the machine makes it for me. The flour, the water, and the oil are dispensed for that individual dough ball into our kneading area, where they need the entire process. And I'm gonna show you the cleaning of this kneading area. In the entire machine, the maintenance is quite low. So all you have to make sure is that you clean the kneading area once a day when the machine has been used. So if you were to make your rotis morning, evening, and night, you don't have to worry about cleaning them every time. You just have to make sure you clean it at night before you go to bed. And this is the main area that needs to be cleaned. When the machine is not in use, you open this section of the machine. You pull out the kneading area. It comes in 3 components, so you pull it out, you have the base, you have the kneading cup, and then you have the actual kneader itself. And you just pop it out. Nice part is that they're all dishwasher safe, or you can hand wash them, whatever you choose to do at home. And that's it. You clean it up, you wash it up, and you use the brush to dust off the rest of the flour from here, and that's it. That's all you need to do, cleaning once a day when the machine has been used. Once the dough ball has been made, what it does is it pushes it to the back of our machine where the dough ball is flattened into a perfect round disc. So once it's flattened, then it pushes it out to the front, and that is where the cooking takes place. The cooking, actually, it's not the traditional conventional cooking. The way we cook is between two hot plates. So what happens is the bottom, which has direct contact, and the top, which has an indirect contact. So with the conduction and the convection and the steam technology of cooking, we ensure that the roti is cooked perfectly every single time. I want to show you one thing, that each and every roti in the Rotimatic does puff, just like that. And it's beautiful. So you never have to worry about the shape not being round or the roti not being puffed. And while that is cooking, let me just go through the price of it. The machine is listed retail price at $999 US. You can purchase it from our website, www.rotimatic.com, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. That's inclusive of all hardware and software issues, and it's door-to-door warranty. So if something does go wrong with the machine, we will come to your doorstep and replace the machine for free for you. So the roti's out, nicely puffed and flattened. There you go, cooked perfectly every time. And it's soft enough, right? It's hot, it's steaming, but soft enough for you to break it with 3 fingers. And it tastes perfect every time. If you choose to purchase additional warranty, you can. The prices are listed on our website. We offer a 1-year or a 2-year warranty. Besides that, the machine does all the work for you. You don't have to worry about anything. If you do have further questions, just click the link below and schedule your personal Q&A with us, and we will be happy to walk you through any questions that you might have. I hope you enjoyed the demo and enjoy your day.